Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss about Autodesk Revit and how to create model, architectural and structural. Okay, once the software already run, so you can select on the left side menu to open the Revit model or to create new Revit model. So then the recent file will appear on your screen here. Then we can start with create a new model, a new project, then select the template. So then you can use a construction template, architectural, structural, and so on and so forth here. So if you cannot find the the file, so you can browse. So it will be under the this folder, program data, RVT 2023, under Autodesk RVT 2023, and then go templates and select the English. Okay, so then I'm using construction template here, and then press OK. The working area will appear on your screen. So this is the working area. So it is currently we're working in level 0. So on the left side you can find the floor plans, level 0, level 1 or site, and after that the elevation or ceiling plan, 3D view, 3D view, then any other elements of the drawing. So that's why the left windows project browser, and then down here is the properties. So currently here we're in the floor plan, so you can see the scale of view. This is the scale, view scale, or the annotation. For the annotation, display model, normal, and then discipline you can change from architectural or structural. Currently we start with the architecture, and then you can see also this one. This is the box, I mean the bounding box, maybe if I'm mistaken, or crop view or crop region. You can switch on and switch off, and then apply here. So then the line will disappear. Crop view, apply, so crop region, and then so this one you have the depth clipping, view range. So later we will discuss about the view range, and then other things here. You can change as well the name of the level. Currently I'm working this one. Okay, and then on top here the menu, the quick access button here. So it consists of all these things: open, save, undo and redo, or export, measure. So then this is the quick access button or command button. So then also you can access inside the ribbon. So then we call it ribbon here, and tab, ribbon tab here contain all the command button here. So some this is a group of command button. So today, I mean, we will import the drawing, I mean the PDF file, or even you can import the image file in the format of JPEG or BMP or any other drawing format. Can import into the Revit as a as a guideline. Okay, so I suggest we go to the site here. That we go to the site before we import the file. Okay, so the purpose of this one, so then easy for us to, I mean, to refer the same point when we combine later on from the architectural model and also the structural model. Okay, so then after that you can see here on top here there is an insert. We have link Revit. Later on when we combine different model, we use the link Revit. Then we have here link PDF, link image, or we can use the import CAD, import, let's say import PDF. So then let me use the import PDF here, and then I save the PDF file somewhere in here. Okay, here, 3-story building, and then open. So one window, import PDF, will appear on your screen. So it will asking you, because you can see here my PDF file is consists of numbers, 13 pages. So that we import first, and after that we open the file. So then I know that in the page number 2 I can find the the ground elevation, floor plan, and then second or the first floor. So other has a different different drawing that required. So elevation somewhere in here. Okay, then resolution, select the highest one, so easy for us to make sure it is sharp enough to trace and then to place our object, Autodesk Revit object. So we select number 2 here, and then we press OK. Okay, we wait until it populated on the screen. Okay, there, so it is already here. So anyway, we can place it, so it's no problem. So then we will move this point to this one. Okay, this is a PDF file. Before we use it, we need to check the dimension. Then we scale it down or we scale it up. Okay, here, and then when we click the PDF file that we imported, so then you can see here the properties, or maybe I move the properties on my right side here. So then the working area, even though it is reduce the working area, but easy to access lah. Okay, here on the properties of the PDF file here that we can access, you can see here the file, the width, horizontal scale 100. So log proportion is when you scale it up, scale it down, so it will maintain the aspect ratio. And then enable snap. So then enable snap here, we click here to allow us to click to snap to the line, to end of line, middle of line, something like that, easy. So then also you can access the when we click this one, let me press escape button, and when we press the select the PDF file, so contextual modify raster image will appear. So then for the PDF, we enable snap here, the same as in the property windows. We can tick the enable snap. Okay, so here we can also modify. You can see here we can move, we can copy, we can rotate. Okay, then and also we can cut and paste. Okay, because later on if you want to copy to another level, so then we can cut paste. Later we discuss on it. Okay, first we need to check the dimension. So before we start, better we pin it so that it will not move. So again, you can see here by hold the button of your the left button of the mouse, you can still drag it. Okay, and then you can pin it, pin to ensure it will not move. You can see you cannot move anymore because it is pinned. Then after that we go further, zoom in here, and then let we measure. Since it is already wait a minute, so we select the object, and then there is a button here, a measure between two reference. Let me measure from this point is too far, maybe from here to here. Let me see, click this one, measure from end of this one to end of this one. So it's about 3501, so it's okay. So it's 3500 1 millimeter, so it's maybe it can be accepted lah. Okay, so we cannot really exact at the middle, okay, because it is a raster. So for the guideline is like sufficient. So then so the what call it, dimension of the raster image can be used directly if it is not correct. I mean, it is not correct. I mean, let's say I do some scaling unintendedly, something like this. Okay, so the scale will be I mean the sizes will be wrong. It's not correct. So what we need to do, let me check. We pin it and then we measure it. So it is from this point to this point, it is 2743. So how to rectify this one? So to rectify this one, you can do like this. First unpin. So then you can move, you can edit what you call it, the raster of PDF, and after that you scale. This is the scale button. Scale, you click this one, and then after that you select this one, I mean the okay, here from this point it will detect, snap this point, and then you click this one. You can see there 2743. Click, and then after that make it 3500. So 3500 over here, and click, so that it will scale up. Let me see, and then measure. Yes, 3500. Like that. Okay. So that's the way to scale up. Okay. Then once it is the size already correct, so then we need to move the point. Maybe here this we can use this corner as a reference point, and then move it to the center of the symbol. So later when we have different model, we can place it on the side symbol here. Okay, how to move it? So let me escape to release the command. Select this one, and then make sure it is unpinned. So okay, it is unpinned. Then after that you select this one, move, click this one, and then since you already, the model is a snap, enable snapping, so we click the corner here, and then we move to the center of this one. Click there. Done. So our model basically already inside, I mean on the correct position. So actually you can place anywhere. Okay, there. Then this symbol is actually a view symbol. So when you double click this arrow, double click, it will give you the west. Okay, okay. That will turn back to side. So this is the west, the east, the north, and the south, like that. Okay, so then you can move it. Select that one, and then move a little bit further. That one. Let me move it. Done. Okay. Then after that, we can start to create the model. First, we create the grid. Okay. To create the grid, let me start in the side. Here. So we can use the this grid. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then vertical, and then horizontal, A, B, C, D, and E. So how to start? So we go to architecture, or we can go to structure. There is a grid button on the right side, on the right grid, and then after that, since it is snap, you can snap to the end of the line there, and after that you bring it forward to here, to the right, and click. You can see there the size maybe is too big, so then you can adjust the size of the annotation. I press this one, 250. That one. Then another grid. This is 1 by 1. So if you know the distance, you can do offset. But in this case, we don't know the spacing. As you can see there, it's slightly different. So this grid belong to the wall here. It's not on the middle of the what you call it, this one. And also you can see there the column, it is not on the center line of the grid. It is shifted, offset upward and the left, to the right or to the left. Okay, so okay, no problem. Here 3, then and after that number 4, there. Okay, then I escape the several times to release the what do you call it, the command. So you can see there. So when we click this one, we can see the spacing. So it is not so good spacing. 2357.3. Okay, anyway, we just follow the grid line that we have here. So then for you can see here, this is the bubble or the balloon on the right side only. So then you can also appear the balloon on the left side by clicking that one. But this is not so important. Anyway, let me continue with the what do you call it, this one. The vertical, horizontal grid. In architecture, grid, can snap the line here, and then bring it up here, and then see here it is 5. So I release the command by pressing the escape button several times, and then change it to A. Then enter. Okay, so then it is changed to A, and then back to architecture, grid, and then snap to the line, and then this one B, automatically is changed to B. Oops. C, then D. But the E here slightly different because it is at the corner here, so better we press this one and then to here, so E. Okay, what about this one? So we will create another what do you call it, grid line. Let me see whether we can use pick line here to this point. or cannot. So anyway, so then we trace it with this intersection, and then to this intersection. Maybe it has the end point, also not so. Okay, and then after that escape, and we can name it later on using the, let's say this one as maybe we name it as F1. Okay, then we adjust to extend. Okay, because there is an angle. So we need this one later on to create the wall that what do you call it, whether it is on center line or outer or interior of the line or grid line, I mean. So also this one, because it is a slanted line, so we can create another grid line. Oh, actually you can simply trace later on, but anyway, let me use create grid line to this intersection, and then to this intersection we stop here, escape, and then we name it. Let us name it F2 as well. Okay, that is as it is, and extend it. Okay. And then after that, escape, can edit. You can see here there is a Z symbol, so you can click this one, so then you can move it. Extend this one. Oops, sorry, Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Where is the I don't want it. I want to extend it first. Anyway, because the Z close to the that one. Oh, this is the line, so I can extend to this. Okay. Okay. So then we have the grid. Okay. And then let me see whether it is available in it is available as well in what for it. I can also extend this, or you can remove the what call it, the crop region by and untick this one and apply. So it will remove the crop line or the crop region. Then so we can extend, so then make sure it is okay. Like that. Okay. Okay, then also it is it will be also appear here. Okay, anyway, let me return back to site. So we have this one. So if no other editing, so then we can you can continue to create the column. But before that, let we say the what call it, the view. So then we open the file, Foxit. This, let me see what the file that we working here. PDF. It is, oh, it's a danger. So I have to block it and pin it. The file name is this one. Story building PDF. Let me see. We can go we press VG. So for the imported, we set to half tone. Apply. Okay. Oh, it is not half tone. So anyway, so the file name is let me see, back the VG imported. Where is file coming? It's not appear here. Anyway, let me see this. Click this one, and then say, let me see the edit here. Where they are here. The file is located here. Trace IDP. Okay. Here. So you can see here we have ground floor and second floor, the same page. We want to have the soft view. So it's the roof deck plan and then roof plan. This is the front elevation. So we want to use this one, front elevation here. This basically it is this direction, the south view of front elevation. So it is located at page number 4 here. So then we will return back here, and then we go to solve, or we can double click this one. So we have the elevation, and after that we can insert a PDF, import the PDF here, open and select number 4 here. Okay, so it will be appear here. Okay, then the same as the previous one, we pin it first, and then after that we measure whether make sure it is enable snap this point to this point. Oh, it is not in the same correct scale. So what we need to do, we scale it, unpin it, do scaling, scale from this point to this point, 2,600, make it 3,500, click. So this already what call it scale up, and then after that you can move the point here, so to the level here. So the corner here, you can see, is there any oh no, this is the floor, and this is the ground. Okay, 10-meter floor depth here. Okay, so then we can directly place the corner here to here. So unpin it. Okay, already unpin, then move from where, from this corner, move it to this corner. Okay, so then we can set the elevation floor to floor 3 meter. Okay, so this one, and make sure you pin it. Okay, then you can extend the level 1 line here further, then change the height here 3 meter, 3,000, enter. So it will be on the floor there, on top floor. I mean, oops, sorry. Where is it? Oh, it's already sorry. Anyway, so it's already moved to this one. Okay, Ctrl Z. So then if you want to change or to extend only this one, so then you unlock, and then so you have different length, so it is detect the parallel line, and then it is automatically untick. And then 3D here you can move to 2D or 3D, so it will appear in any view where it is 3D. So okay, so then after that another 3 meter, but it seems that the top floor here it is not 3 meter, it is more than 3 meter. 3 this 3 meter. Okay, I need 3 meter. So then 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay, anyway, so then what we can do, go to level, architectural level, and then pick line here, and then set the offset, and then make sure it's a make plan view. So level 1, so we are currently we have 0 level 1, 0 level 1. Okay, and then another when we create a new one, it will be create level 2 floor plans as well. Okay, so here 3000. Okay, so we select the this one, pick line. So we pick this line, make sure you can see there is a green line, I mean the line is not clear. Click here, there, see on top here, there is a line on top there. When we click it, it will be new line. Ctrl Z, let me undo. So go to level, and then set it to 3000, and then select pick line. Then this the offset cannot see. Let me make it clear. So go further like that. Okay, then we go to level, offset 3000, and then pick line. There you can see there, clear 3 meter, and then another one 3 meter there. Okay, so then also you can change the level name. The blue line, the blue color here mention that it is inform you that the floor plans also created. Okay, let me see we can here level 0 we change to FFL level, floor face level, and this one is the near ground level, NGL. So you can change here, sorry, so still active, this one is still active, so then you need to release. Okay, release, and then level 0 here you can change to F.L dot, and then enter. So it will ask you, would you like to rename? Yes, so it will change the name. Another level is level 4 here. There is a level 4. I think we need to delete this one. Delete. Ctrl Z. Anyway, because the operation not released previously, so you can change this one, F.L, enter. Yes, finish floor line. FFL is finish floor line. Anyway, and level 1 here, second floor. can change, up to you. Okay, then so we have our elevation here. Then we can we can refer this one easily later on to check whether what call it the model correct or not. Okay, let me return back to the previously we already have on site here. Okay, no, I don't want to save first. Site view here. Okay, and then release. I want to copy this one to the level FFL. Untick. Then you copy or cut or copy this one. Copy to the clipboard and then paste to anyway, this not align to current view, align to selected view. Let me see here on the level FFL. Okay, so then we have the FFL. Okay, and then we start to create our model. What's the line here? Escape, and then we pin it. Okay, so the grid already created, and then we can start to create our structure here, column. But in this case, we create the architectural model. So then we go to architectural and then go to column and then select the architectural column. Okay, let me see here. Currently we have column rectangular. Let me have this one 450, but it is too big, right? So then what we need to do, we do edit type, and then we do duplicate here, and then column make it 300 by 300. If I'm mistaken, it is 300 by 300. 300, and then remove this one and we rename, and then material by category you can change because it is structure non-structural model, it is architectural model. So the depth 300, and then also this one is 300, and then okay. So we have the new what call it size under the family of column rectangular. Okay, so then we select this one, you can see there. So basically we can place it here at the grid. Yeah, just here one by one as you can, or you can select all the grid. Okay, but since it is, it is not what call it, we need to do offsetting. So I press escape to release the command. Put this one and then move corner here to the intersection of the grid line. You're supposed to have the grid line here, there. Escape. Okay, same goes to this one. Remove, and then move here. Let me see. Actually we have as well, right? Oh yeah, F1 we have supposed to be in F1. Where is the intersection? I think I'm not do it correctly here. to make sure you are in the correct line, so you can go further using this line and then create another line. So then we can bring this one exactly on the intersection line. That one. Okay, use the construction line, model line here. It seems that the line is not working for grid line, so here you can just simply lengthen it. Sorry. Okay, then vertical line. Move. Second one. So same goes to the other. Okay. Then the line here. Also you can create other, because this on the grid line. So press a column, architectural column, and then to where you want to copy. It's supposed to be there is a can copy. Oh no. Oops, sorry. Where is on the grid? Anyway, it's supposed to be anyway, okay, one by one. I forgot there is a command supposed to be you can directly place the what you call it, the column on the grid. But anyway, our column is not exactly on the grid. Place and then like that. We have another one, number 2. Okay, then we change it accordingly. Section here. So it's not exactly correct. Maybe we need to create a model line. Okay, model. Okay, only this one. Okay. Then create a wall. This one. So you can see the 3D model. You see here. This one, that one, and then you can change still can change the what you call it, the area of this one. But anyway, this is one that you can see there. Okay. So to check, because previously we from the south, and then the north will be the same. Okay, but the east this need to extend. So this one need to extend upward. What about the south? Yeah, we need to extend it upward as well. Okay then. Okay. Spin back. Okay. It's already done. North. West. Okay. Okay then. Return back to FFL. Floor finish level. So the column supposed to be, if we refer to the soft view, it's supposed to be lowered on the NGL, not on the FFL. So 10 centimeter. So what we can do here, when we return back to what call it, let's say we select from the soft view or the north view. Yeah, select all the line here. Select like that. So if you select from left to right, from the right to left, any object that intersect with the line will be selected. Let me increase it upward first. So if you select from the right to the left, so it will select only any object inside the box, selection box. So let's say I select from left to right. Okay, the grid line also selected, the column selected, and then you go to select filter. So you don't want the grid, and then untick, and then okay. So then you can see the base offset. You can download it to -100 like that, and then top level maintain to the second floor. So then like that. Okay. Done. Then return back to FFL. So we create wall, architectural wall architectural. This height unconnected, that is connected to top floor directly. You can see here location of line, wall center line. So the center line is already suitable for this one, interior wall, internal wall. But for the external wall, we need to use either it is finish face interior or finish face exterior, like that. And then on the right side here, the properties, select the basic wall. So this is wall, external wall, wall external 215 brickwork. Let me make it a wall that has a plaster for 2mm plaster, 2 cm plaster. So you can see here exterior wall I did, but before that we do duplicate external wall, brickwork with plaster, a script. And then the size is 150 millimeter, 15 centimeter only. It's normal in Malaysia or Indonesia. Okay, then after that you edit. You can see here, this is only the structure brick common. Then you can change it to thickness of 110, and then core boundary, and then you can add insert upward, bring it down, and change it to finish. So you can change it to finish. because if you want to have a pane, also add another pane here. Structure by category, here layers, can change material, brickwork, brick, whether that one, that one, okay. And then okay, and then finish here. You can select plaster or script. Oh, sorry, there is concrete cement script, like this, and okay. Oh, brick comma is supposed to be brick horizontal pattern here. Anyway, script. Okay. Then thickness you can change here. It's supposed to be 20, and then here 110, and then here 20. Then if you want to add another pane, also we can do it. We insert another one, and then make sure it is also finished. And then here is pane, pane finish dark gray, pane white lining, like that. Gypsum wallboard, pane. And then okay, you can set 1 millimeter, like that, or less than that. So this 190. So to make sure it is the same thickness, total thickness is 150 millimeter. And then if you want to see preview, like that, so you like that. Okay, so you have detail, and then close the preview, and then press OK and apply. So it is this one, the name, new name. Okay, so we use that one, finish face, and then let's see, we see, okay, it's correct. But anyway, see, there is an offset. Oops. Wait a minute. We haven't moved this one. Anyway, we move it. Okay. Remove, escape. Then back to the wall. So basically it will supposed to be automatically join. So select this one, finish face, interior. Can see there, it is automatically what do you call it, create a join. This, because it is the same, what do you call it, same architectural model. But if you want to unjoined. I think it is joined automatically. You can see here. Or maybe it is not joined correctly. So then what you need to do, anyway, because this the height of this one is go to what you call it, only this one is up to the level of first floor. So let me back to the south view, or I mean the north view. Select all this one, and then we select only the column. Okay, and then the top offset directly go to level 3. So let me see, return back to the FFL. So it's not proper, I think. So what we need to do, we do some little bit modification. But anyway, later we do it. Go to FFL. We can we try first. Select this one. You can press join this one and then this one. Oops. So whether it's already joined or not. Unjoin geometry. Yeah. This is the unjoined geometry. So then I think we undo. So it's joined geometry, but it's not really correct. It's supposed to be unjoined. But the good one, the plaster also enveloping the what call it, the model. But anyway, this is what call it, architectural model. So then let me continue to this one. We haven't changed this one as well. Skip. Move. Over there. Wall. Finish face interior. Oops. So down. Then here as well. Oops. So it's supposed to be okay, let's go. Okay. So in the 3D view, you can see it does look like this. You can see the detail and fine. If you want to see the shaded one, that you see the realistic. Because this the wall is what you call it, pane. Anyway, see, this is plaster. Okay, back to the this one you can still change the detail. Okay, then after that ground floor, then we have the what you call it, the floor. maybe finish the internal wall first. Wall, internal wall, maybe we can change, edit the one that we have here. Edit the type, and then duplicate internal. Okay, maybe make it smaller. 1 centimeter plaster only, or maybe you can expose directly the wall. So there's 1 brick wall only, brickwork only. Yeah, okay. And then edit the one. Delete, and then delete this one. So it is a exposed brick wall, horizontal pattern. Okay. So then you can this one. Oops, sorry. This is supposed to be centered, core center. It automatically detect. So you can trace directly, actually. So you can click line anyway. Then change the elevation up to level 3. Okay, correct. Level 3. Structural model is not necessarily very accurate, because this is a visualization purpose. But for the structural model, you have to be very particular on the offset, on the location, intersection of the joint, beam to column, beam to slab floor. So the analysis will be correct. Okay, then here also can say we set wall. It's the basic wall interior. Here, if you want to change the, there is a layers of waterproofing, so they can see. You can normally in the detail you can use the stack wall here instead of the basic wall. Here you can use the stacked wall or stacked wall here. So wall with different layers. I say normally in practice for the toilet. So once 2 meter, the first 2 meter is waterproofing. First 2 meter, but this one is a toilet. Water closet only, not the bathroom. But you can do as well like that. Okay. You can create construction line or grid. This one. This one is slightly different. Let me see whether we can use the line or the wall. So okay, so then we can add what we call it, floor here. You can see here quite weird, the hatching. Later we discuss on how to rectify that one. So escape, then the floor architectural here. So you can select floor, how this look like, floor upper, using the call it chorus, and you can edit accordingly. We use this one directly, and then this is the boundary that we can use. We follow this or pick line, so we can do, or we can follow the wall, pick wall, that one. Then later we combine. Okay, so you can edit this one by extend to this. Oh, using this one. Extend. Oh, you remove this. Extend this one. This one. And then line. Okay. Then when it's okay, you press this one. Like that. So you have the floor already for this area, and you can change the floor for the bathroom, different floor. Okay. This is all for this video. Later we'll continue.